Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We have a new sketchbook video here. Yes, we're still wearing the masks at SVA. Nothing I can do about that. But let's focus on the sketchbook. It's a really, really good one. Emily, how are you today?
I'm doing awesome. How are you?
Good, good. And where are you from, Emily?
Central Virginia.
Wow. And what's your dream job?
Oh man. Honestly, cheesy to say, but anything I can get, I'd be really happy with.
All right, so we're in foundation year, correct? First year of college?
Right.
Awesome. So listen, Emily's sketchbook is a treat. So let's start flipping through it. You can go ahead and start. I mean, this is your inspiration?
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. And so, needless to say, Emily has a really eclectic, diverse style. I mean, it's super pretty and very, very different. And the minute that I saw Emily's sketchbook, I'm like, okay, we got to share this thing on YouTube. This one is totally worth sharing. And what would you say your style is?
Oh man. I would probably, first of all, thank you so much. And second of all, probably just a love letter to all the things I like.
Awesome.
And want to steal from.
Awesome. Wow. And you keep flipping because we have a lot of pages here. And how long do you usually spend on one page?
Ooh, maybe like around 20 minutes to like an hour or two, give or take.
Wow. And so you're just grabbing different, wow, that is such a cool page. So like that page, what
Yes.
materials did you use?
Ooh, I think that was like ballpoint pen and alcohol marker like on the back.
Wow. I am loving this. I am loving this. And so what I like so much about Emily's sketchbook is that it is so different and it challenges me as a teacher because I'm trying to find ways I can help Emily with the things that I teach, and yeah, we're both having a good time, right?
Yes, yeah, I love it so much.
How are you liking the class?
It's just been so much fun to try different things and being like given puzzle pieces of like lots of different techniques.
Yes.
To try and pick from.
Yes.
And I'm such like a complete baby with like the foundational stuff, so it's just been so fun to have that as a class.
And how okay, so you can see this is so this is not easy for you working from the figure of photos like this, right?
Right.
You're not used to this.
I'm not.
But I mean, these
fun.
are so gorgeous. I mean, you're doing your own style, and it's really, oh my God! Like, as soon as I saw that drawing, I'm like, okay, we're doing a sketchbook video.
Oh.
Yeah, that was the one that convinced me, and this is so long ago. Yeah, totally cool. And what is your favorite? So we're here at the School of Visual Arts. I should have mentioned that earlier. And we are in the animation department. And what is, how is your first year here at SVA?
Oh man, so far so good. It's been so wild, like very much like a pinch me moment to be able to come here.
Nice.
And everyone's just so supportive and just such a great environment that it's hard not to enjoy it.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy.
I mean, I was speaking with Emily a couple weeks ago before the Thanksgiving break, and I was just mentioning, wow, that right there could be a style for animation. That is nuts. Wait a second, how long did that take you?
Oh, I kind of cheated, like 20 minutes, like throughout a couple days. Like,
I see.
I'd get bored in class or something. It shouldn't say that, but I'd be like lollygagging in class.
I see. I mean, Emily could do illustration, fine art, and animation.
Oh.
And you know, it's pretty special when somebody can kind of transverse 3 different departments. You know, it's special and it's good, but at the same time, it could be very confusing because it really gives you a lot of choices, and sometimes all these choices as to what you're actually going to do with your art makes your life a little bit more confusing versus, oh, I'm just going to be a keyframer, or I'm just going to be a book illustrator. Like you can do a wide variety of things. Now these are just from photos, quick gesture drawings, right?
Right.
So cool. So cool. I mean, gosh, it's really pretty to see all the different ways that you're using the pencil. And then what's that? Just like regular marker or?
There's like these little skinny highlighters. I think they're like Zebra brand.
Okay.
And they last forever, and like they're just so easy to take around with you.
Nice.
They're so fun.
Nice. Now, this is your first sketchbook in my class.
Yes.
I used to have the students complete 2 sketchbooks in a 15-week class, but hold on, this is lovely. We narrowed it down to just 1. And how are you doing with your pace? You're just about done, right?
Oh, I think I've like skipped around a little bit, so still have a ways to go. But it's been my favorite thing to have an excuse to just doodle.
Nice. It seems like you're very comfortable with working in this sketchbook.
Oh, thank you so much.
I mean, would you say that? Wait, you got to turn that page horizontal. I got to look at
Sorry.
this one. Yeah, it's so cool.
Thank you so much.
Like this is just mindless work for you. Like it comes out, feels like it comes out pretty easy. I don't know. Am I right or am I wrong?
I'd say like it's a lot of fun where like the difficulty is kind of like I'm not really sure.
Okay.
But it's fun and like you said, like mindless.
Yes. And how, like, do you do the same style when you work digitally?
I try to, which might be a bad thing, I'm not sure, but yeah, trying to figure out digital,
Yes.
it's
What are you more
Magic.
comfortable with, traditional materials or working, say, like in this classroom, we have the Cintiqs, and that's what we work on. Here's my workstation right here. And this is what we work on at SVA when we're in perspective class, at least. Wow, that was nice. Wow, what a page.
Oh, thank you. These are some of my classmates' characters, and we got together and just doodled each other's stuff.
So much fun.
Yeah, these are other people's characters.
I
too.
see,
They're
I see.
awesome.
That was a day when we just shared each other's sketchbooks.
Mhm.
A little bit of light and shade exercise in your own style. Wow, and I just adore the way that you're doing the gesture drawings with the light and shade. That is so cool. I love that you're being powerful with that pencil.
Oh, thank you so much.
That must have been so strange to do those model infectors. Gosh,
It
that
was
is
so
so
fun.
not you.
It scratched my brain though. It was fun to do something.
I mean, also, like, God, I could see, you could self-publish your own book. I can see
Oh.
your work on skateboards, like, you know, that might not seem like so, it seems trivial, but my God, like, I'm addicted to skateboard design because my daughter is, and I've got hundreds of skateboard decks in my house, and they're just like art. And
So awesome.
you can put out a whole line of skateboards. I mean, it's crazy.
Oh,
That could be your side gig.
I would be honored to have that.
Wow. And I gotta ask this, like, what are your, you don't have to give me specifics, but are your parents in the art world? Like, where did you get like this imagination and all this talent?
Oh, well, my parents would say they're not artists, but I was always really inspired by them growing up because they'd always be like doodling and just drawing things and leaving little notes and stuff.
I see.
Where they would say they don't have talent, but I look up to them so much. They're great.
I mean, each page is like a fun little treasure just to kind of look at it. Yeah, and then a traditional pencil drawing, that was for the portrait class. Another one, like, so Emily's trying to implement some of the things that I teach in the portrait class, and then how to draw hands, and you did a wonderful job on that. That came
Thank
out
you.
great. All these hands did. Whoa, this is actually, like, this is such a good page, people on YouTube. Yeah, I mean, the light and shade, the fingers, the organic line, just the line quality is just, it's amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
How to draw hands and feet class, so much form. What would you say has so far been like your one key thing, and at least in my class, that has helped you, or maybe there's nothing that's helped you? Like,
Oh, well, I'd say, gosh, like a lot of things. Probably like the positive and negative space and line diversity, and like, I think you were talking about like rhythm of,
Yes.
and like opposite C's and stuff,
yes,
and that's
yes.
just been.
Oh, opposite C's are Stephen Gaffney's favorite thing, right, Stephen? That's an inside joke that Stephen and I have. Love Stephen. He's an awesome teacher here in the animation department at SVA. Yeah, wow, okay. Love it. So it's week 12, right?
I think so.
So 12
Yes.
weeks to finish the sketchbook. And you are doing front and back for the most part, right? Yeah.
Try to.
That is so children's book illustration. You know, I just went on a vacation to Las Vegas, and even in all of the stores there, because there's a lot of high-end stores, like the artwork on the walls and just in the casinos alone, like people would hire you just for your vibe. Like I talked about with James Jean, where they hire him for his vibe and the vibe that he brings to their projects. You just, you know, I understand you're just in first year of college, but hopefully you figure out a way to funnel all of this creativity that you have into something that could work for you.
Thank you so much.
Nice. That was the perspective class, right?
Yes.
Figure in perspective. Look at that. I mean, you know, it's so valuable. Listen, I'm holding this camera by my arms, and my arms are a little shaky right now, so I apologize for that. But, you know, this is just a simple exercise in the figure in perspective, and it's really good. It's really good with the shape, the line, the texture, pattern. So many good things happening.
And then cheating a little bit, these are just screenshots of some
Your
of like
stuff?
the animation homework stuff.
Okay, so this is in your animation class, your animation homework, just screenshots you said,
Mhm,
right?
Right.
And what was the assignment?
Like frog jump and like a leaf falling, and overlapping action with like a tail and stuff.
Wow,
Like walk, cycle, run, cycle.
wow. Okay, 1 second. Really cool. So you are bringing your style digitally into the digital medium.
I'm trying to.
Now, we're almost done with this. We have a few pages left. Do you have an Instagram or something like that that you want to send some people to check out your work?
Right, thank you so much. I'm really bad about posting, but do you want me to like say the handle?
Yeah,
or?
well, you're gonna tell it to me at the end of this video, and then we're gonna, if it's a simple one, you can say it right now. I'll put it right in the info.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's oh no, it's E-Moon, which might be, it's a lot of random
Oh
letters.
no, E-Moon?
Oh no, it's E-Moon.
E-Moon.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's all I got so far.
All right, so let's see how thick that sketchbook is. Oh my God, that is real. So you can crank that out, no problem. Emily, thank you so much for sharing your artwork. I really do appreciate that. And we will most certainly get your Instagram or whichever it is underneath the notes of this video. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Really
you got
appreciate
it. Well, listen, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really appreciated that sketchbook. We have more sketchbooks coming. I've got so many talented students this semester. Hopefully, in this video. This is a new iPhone, so hopefully the video quality is better too. I'll talk to you soon. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll post more shortly. Take care.